Hi everyone, let's delete Instagram account. Let's tap Instagram account. Tap profile icon. Tap the three lines. Just in search bar search for DEL, DEL, deactivation or deletion. Now we have to profile. Select your profile. We have deactivation account or delete account. Select delete account. Continue. Continue. Select a reason why you want to delete Instagram account. I select privacy concerns. Continue. 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 Insert your password. Continue. Delete account. Now your account is deleted. That's all. Have a nice time.